Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I've been making money online using Clickbank. So if you're brand new to affiliate marketing is basically promoting somebody else's product or service for a commission. So I'm going to go on this site called Clickbank. As you can see here, I have a few sales. I've only been doing this method for the past 3 weeks, but I've since made 3 sales just in the past week alone. If you can see, the sale price is pretty high, $74, $70, and then $120. Now that's the sale price. I earn I think a 70% commission on those sales, so that's still pretty good. For a product I don't have to ship, fulfill, I don't have to handle customer service. All I'm doing is sending the traffic to a sales page. When they buy the product, I earn my commission. All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you a diagram of how I turned TikTok traffic into customers in 4 real-world examples of niche accounts that you can create on TikTok today. So this is a diagram of exactly what I'm doing on TikTok to turn traffic into customers with Clickbank products. So I created a niche account on TikTok, and I'm going to show you some examples of what this looks like. I put a link in my TikTok bio which sends people to an opt-in page. After I collect the email, I send them to a thank you page. It's on that page that I post my affiliate link. When people click that link, it brings them to a sales page where when they buy the product, I earn a commission. Now on the first page, I collect the emails, and that's really important because I have an automated email follow-up sequence in place which sends emails to those people, and each one of those emails is going to have an affiliate link in it as well, sending them back to the sales video. So in case they don't buy the product the first time, I might make that sale later. And the importance of growing an email list is basically you're building a customer list. So even if they don't buy this first product, you can find more affiliate offers and simply follow up with more emails in the future. And the more emails you collect, the bigger your customer list grows and the more commissions you can earn overall. Now you can send TikTok traffic straight to the affiliate link, but you're not going to be building a long-term sustainable business with that model. So I definitely recommend putting a sales funnel in place. If you want to learn how to do that with a free software, I do have a video on my channel. I'll put the link up above. You can check that out. Before you decide on what niche to get into and what type of products to promote, it's important to remember that for most affiliate marketing offers, the 4 most profitable niches, and this is especially true on Clickbank, they're going to be wealth, how to make money, health, diet, how to lose weight, get in better shape, relationships, how to fix your love life, dating advice, and spirituality manifestation. And this last niche kind of applies to all 3 of the first ones. If you look at the manifestation products, they kind of teach you how to manifest money, better health, or better relationships. So it's kind of a catch-all. But I'm going to show you a few examples of TikTok accounts that you can make to promote products in any one of these niches. All right, so we're on TikTok.com. I have a few accounts I already found, so I'm just going to look them up quickly. So this is an account in the Make Money online niche. This is an account. Her name's Make Money with Danny. And if you look at her page, she never actually shows her face. She just kind of records her tablet or her computer, and she shows you like side hustles, ways to make money online, like how to make money from home, proofreading. This is a website you can go to, I guess, to make some money. She teaches you like how to do affiliate marketing. She's actually promoting an affiliate marketing course. It's actually the same course that I'm promoting on one of my TikTok pages. It's a great program to promote as an affiliate marketer, probably one of the better programs or products you could promote in the wealth niche. But let's go into health accounts now. I'm just going to type in health. You can honestly find accounts just by typing in those major keywords. But this account does very well. They have 255,000 followers. And if you look at their content, it's super simple. They pretty much post the same thing every day. And they get thousands of views on every video. If you look at these videos, it's really just a recording of their room. And they put this infographic from Instagram. It's really simple to make this content. You can do it on your phone. They just basically took a screenshot of an Instagram photo and put it over a video they recorded in their room. And if you look, every video they post is pretty much the same. It's just diet, health tips and tricks, and they do very well. You look at the views they get. This person doesn't even do affiliate marketing, but they easily could. All they would have to do is put a link in their bio, and they could send all this traffic to an affiliate link and start making money. All right, so this is the third account in the relationship niche. You look at this page, they have 195,000 followers. They are just basically downloading stock video footage and uploading it to TikTok. They're using sex facts, couple facts, sex facts. Just kind of basically they put text on the screen about relationships, right? Tag your significant other. So that's great. Get some engagement. It's going to rack up your views. It's pretty much all the same content, just stock video footage with some facts about relationships, sex, dating. You know, you could look these up on Google. Just look up dating facts to get inspiration for content, and then find. I'll show you where to find stock videos to download to upload right onto TikTok. But the last niche I was going to show you was spirituality, manifestation. There's a lot of accounts like this. I'm just going to type in manifest. Actually, I'm going to type in manifestation, and there's plenty of accounts to choose from. This one is really popular. They have 300,000 followers. You see their views are very high. They do very well. If you look at their videos, like look at this video right here. It's just a video of a car driving, and they say on June 17th, something is going to happen to you. You know, like, comment, copy link to lock it in. Basically encouraging people to like and comment, basically engage with the video, which is going to make their video go viral. As you can see, that video got 14,000 views. You can look, they got 38,000 views on this video. All this is some sort of stock video footage with some text on the screen. No matter what niche you decide to get into, the best piece of advice I can give you is to just look and maybe follow as many accounts in that niche as you can to get inspiration for your own content. You don't need to sit there and come up with completely original content. Just follow other accounts by looking up major keywords for whatever niche you decide to get into. Now this is Pexels.com. This is the website I use to download stock video footage when I create my own content for TikTok. Now you can look up pretty much anything. So let's say you're in the health niche. You could just look up food and click on videos. There's going to be plenty of videos related to food, eating. You know, try to find healthy looking food if you're in the health niche. If you're in the wealth niche, you could do something like luxury, and you're going to get all these like fancy rich images like Lamborghinis, mansions. So this, you can use this type of content for you know, the wealth related niche. If you're in like manifestation, you want to get, if you looked at the account, like in the manifestation niche, it's kind of just like surreal background images. You can honestly edit your videos in TikTok to make them look more surreal, but you could just look up something like landscape, and it's going to give you like these natural landscape images. So you can use this for pretty much any niche, but these work well in the manifestation niche. So after you've decided on a niche, you need to find an offer to promote. Now these are a few things you want to look for before you decide to promote anything. You want to make sure the offer has high commission rates. You want to look for recurring commissions. That's going to be really helpful to help you build passive income. These are basically monthly subscription products. So when somebody signs up on it and they keep paying that monthly charge, you're going to earn a commission every month. Upsells are really helpful to increase the amount of money you make, so you don't just make one sale per customer, but you make multiple sales for every customer you send. The last thing is low refunds. Obviously, if people get a refund, you lose the commission, so a low refund rate, maybe a good customer service support team is really going to help you do better and make more money in the end. So now that we have that stuff in mind, we're going to head back over to Clickbank. Just go to clickbank.com. You should be able to sign up for a free account in just a few minutes. After you've done that, you go to the marketplace and you can find a product to promote, but first you need to select the niche that you decided on. So I'm just going to go into health and fitness. The first thing you want to do is sort results by gravity. That's going to show you the top converting offers, basically the offers that actually sell. So let's just check out the top one. You usually want to do a little bit of research into the product and look for those things I just showed you on the last slide. So let's go into the affiliate page and check it out. Okay, so the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a one-of-a-kind weight loss tonic that helps people, men and women, burn fat. Now, why should you promote it? It's designed for weight loss, okay. It has super high conversion rates, that's awesome. $5 EPC, that's actually really good. That's an average of $5 for every click you get on your affiliate link. Commission rate is 75%, that's awesome. Let's see, super low refund rates. That's really good. Make your affiliates a lot of money. That's good to see. Now I'm pretty sure this is a monthly subscription because it's an actual physical product. So people buy the product and then they get their order every month, so long as they stay signed up. So this pretty much hits all our checkpoints. This is what you want to see. So let's go ahead and act like we're going to promote this. Typically, you do a little bit more research, maybe check out a few products and see what else is out there. But just for the sake of this video, we're going to just go ahead and promote this product. So you would just click on the red button here that says promote. You're going to put in your account nickname that you made when you signed up and hit generate hop links. Now you can save this link by hitting this little button here. You can copy it to your clipboard. Now remember, I do recommend setting up a sales funnel, and I have a video showing you how to do this. And in that case, your affiliate link is going to go right here on your thank you page. Now this is what I'm doing, but I know a lot of you are not going to want to set up a whole entire sales funnel. You just want to put the link right in your bio. And I see a lot of people on TikTok doing that, so there's no reason why you can't. So I'll show you how to do that the best way. So if you're not setting up a sales funnel, I can show you what this looks like. This is this account manifestation, and you see they have a bit.ly link. So this is actually just an affiliate link. If you click on this, it's going to bring you to an affiliate sales page, and they covered up their really long affiliate link by going to bit.ly, and they just made a shortened link. You can do this as well. It's a free service. It's really simple to do. You just type in bit.ly in your browser and you can insert any link you have, and they'll give you a shortened version just like this. Another way to do this is by using a beacons page. That's what this account was doing. Now TikTok will always give you this warning on the desktop version, so don't worry about that. But you can essentially create a page like this. It's a beacons page, and when you have a beacons account, you can change the background, make it look as pretty as you want, and you can put as many affiliate links in the page. So you can actually promote multiple offers at the same time, and they're covered up behind a button, so you don't actually see the long, ugly link. Just a few last minute things before you get started. Make sure you do plenty of research before you decide on a niche. Ideally, you're going to be posting 2 to 4 times a day, every day, to get as much traffic as possible on your page. So make sure it's a niche that you're comfortable making content in every day. And again, look at other accounts in the niche for inspiration. Don't sit there and try to come up with completely new original ideas every day. You're going to get burned out really quickly. So always be looking to others for inspiration. Now keep in mind that with a regular creator account, you will need 1,000 followers before you can put a link in your bio. If you make a business account, you don't need to do that. On TikTok, it's actually pretty easy to grow. You should be able to get to 1,000 followers fairly quickly if you're creating consistent content every day. And make sure you have a strong call to action in your videos once you have that link in your bio to tell people to actually click the link. If you don't tell people to click the link in your bio, they're probably never going to. Thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. If you have any questions or need any help, leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. In the meantime, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more.